So today we will see that is Razorpay. Okay, what is Razorpay, where we use it, and how to use that in our application. That all I'll tell. Actually, I have done videos in Razorpay also which are in Hindi, but I got some request is that they need like in English also. So I thought I'll make this playlist will be different, which is in English, and that will be different, which is in Hindi. Okay, so if you want to go for Hindi, then you can choose Hindi. If you want to go for English, you can choose English. Okay, so this is in English, purely English. Okay, so you can see here what I'm getting. Okay, this is the Razorpay. Okay, Razorpay account. Razorpay is what? Okay, so the Razorpay is payment gateway. Like by using this Razorpay, we can do the transaction, online transaction we can do, and we can use in our personal in our personal business also. We can use in application also. We can use in NGO application, anything like for NGO, for donation purpose. There also you can use this because it is very secured. You can use easily in the sense no need to take tension if you're using this. Okay, so you can see here, this is a sign up now. So I'll show you first. This is a, you can see it is a payment, accept and payment. Okay, so you can see all our roles they have given. You just go with this, what is there in that, just read if you want. Okay, you can read this. So I'll tell you how to sign up. As I told you, Razorpay is a payment gateway. You can use this in your any application like Laravel. If you're using PHP, if you're using anything, if you're using, you can use this. Okay, so I'll tell you. See, in Razorpay, if you want to sign up, you can sign up directly right by clicking here. You will get sign up option. Then here you need to go and you need to enter your some details like your name, phone number, email ID, company website, whatever. This all you need to fill and you need to submit. Then your ID will create. Okay, so and if you have already your Gmail account, then it's very good. Directly you can log in with Gmail. Okay, no need to add that all the things. Okay, that all stuff no need to do if you have Gmail account. So what I'm doing here, directly I'm doing login with Gmail. Okay, so if you have Gmail, you can go with Gmail. Otherwise, create your account by using sign up option and you can use that. Okay, so now I'll do this like continue as Sunita. So it is happening now. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, I think my internet is a bit slow, so it is taking time, but it's came now. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is the main dashboard of Razorpay. Okay, and you can see here there is a test mode. Okay, first I'll tell this what is Razorpay. You can see here everything is there. Okay, so home means home page is there. On home page you can see here, first you will see the test mode. Okay, because right now I am in test mode, means I have done some application there. I cannot use online mode because there I do transaction, right? If I do every time transaction, that my account money will get deducted now. So it's very good, like they have given us to use test mode, right? It's really good. Because of that we can test anything. Okay, and you can create your application. So go in, so it is in test mode. Suppose if you want to go for live mode, then you need to enter your full detail like KYC, you need to submit your bank details, you need to submit, and after that your live mode will be start. So right now I am not using that, so I will be in test mode only. Okay, it is showing, see, if you want to activate, you need to do the KYC and all. Why it is happening like this? Because of internet things. So okay, so here you can see that there is a payment link, like start sharing payment link by emails, SMS, chatbots, etc. and all. Okay, this is there. Then you can see this is a payment volume, number of payment I have done. See, 21 I have done, and number of refund is nothing because just I have tested, I have just transferred amount. That also I have done online, that is net banking I have used for that. Okay, so you can see, okay, this is the payment. Then you can see here, see, it is showing like net banking. By using net banking I have done this much payment. Then you can see here let's see, if you are doing any testing, then use just 1 rupee, 2 rupee, because they give some amount, only that much only we can use for testing purpose. If that gets complete, then you need to do in live mode only. So it's better to pay only 1 rupee and check whatever your application you are testing. Okay, so you can see here how much payments are failed, that also we will see. Captured means how much are succeed, that also we can see, means everything will get here. Okay, and suppose if you are doing any payment, and while doing payment, if the internet is slow and if your money got detected, that also you will see here, and you can send this payment, like a payment ID, and even you will get refund also. Okay, so it's very good. I think no, it's very good only according to me. Okay, and see, transaction means all transaction details you will get. See, these all are my transaction details. You can apply filter also for that. Okay, and you can search, you can see for how much I have held, how much I captured, everything is there. Then settlement means today how much done, and how much your settlement means you will transfer from Razorpay to in your bank account. That is settlement. Okay, that you need to do in Google Pay. It is there. See, in Google Business app it is there, settlement how to do. So this is about settlement. Then reports also, you will see the reports, your report. Okay, like monthly report, daily report, settlement report, payment report, combined report, orders, refunds, payment links, everything you will see. Okay, then accounts and settings, this is very important. Okay, accounts and settings. Okay, you can see here is my merchant ID, there's 2-step verification is there. Okay, I'll change this. Okay, you don't copy this. Then you can you go here you will get, you can read here, they have given like business website details. If you want to use this for your business transaction, you can go here, API, go in API. Then here, see, there is a key ID created and expired in action. So click on generate test key. Okay, if you generate test key, see here you will get deactivate old immediately, or deactivate old key 24 hours, confirm and deactivate. I will not confirm because already I have created. So if you want to generate, if you confirm, you will get 2 IDs, like secret key and app key, that you need to use in your applications. Okay, here you will get, which is very important. So right now I am cancelling that because already I have done that. Then QR code. Okay, QR code, this I have not used, I need to say this. Create UPI QR code and simple. Okay, means here you can create UPI QR code also, means by using QR code also you can do the transactions. That's great actually. Then payment links also we can send, like we send payment from there only, they do they do payment and all. It's really nice. Link in under one. See here, create and share a Razorpay payment link in under a minute with your customer via email, SMS, chatbot. Wow, this is really nice. Then smart collect, this feature is not supported for your business type. Okay, this we need to check. Then link of credits you can see here. Then offers also you can see credit limit is this much for this. Then you can see here customers also, means if anyone is transferring you, that customers you will see here. Then offers, whatever the offers are there, that also you will see here. Then developer, this actually I don't know, this I need to check. Then app store means find the right app for your business needs. Okay, right app is also there. Okay, this I need to check because I have used this for only my applications, I have not used this. So if I get this, what is, I learn first, then I will come here. Okay, then only I can tell you, because if I don't know I cannot tell you, right? So this is the so this is a Razorpay application. Okay, you can, if you go here you will get your details, your merchant ID you will get. Okay, everything you will get. And this, what is this announcement, just launch Razorpay. Okay, notification, it's like notification. Okay, so I hope you got this. Okay, what is Razorpay? And I have done video how we can use this in payment integration, but that is in Hindi. Okay, so I will try to make video for in English also. So I'll do two separate, what we can say, playlist. Okay, so, and if they want Hindi they will go for Hindi, if they want English they will go for English. And one more thing I want to tell, see, I will create one WhatsApp group. Okay, that link I'll give in below of video, not this video, in another video I'll give. Okay, I'll create, you can join that link. And if you have any queries, because I do lots of videos on errors only, how to solve error and all, so you can, if you have any errors and all, you can put there. And if anyone also knows that, like, it's not like I only need to reply, if you know, you also you can reply, and if I know, I will also reply. Okay, so I'm thinking that I'll create one WhatsApp group. So if I agree, then please give me comment like, okay, that's fine, you create. So I'll create, so we will communicate and we will discuss. If anyone is getting errors, so we will solve that. Okay, so thank you so much everyone, thank you for supporting us. And one more thing I want to tell you, you're supporting us a lot, so for that, thank you so much. And I'm seeing I'm getting lots of viewers also more, but I don't know why they are not subscribing. So if you're new to our channel, then please like, share and subscribe, because if you subscribe, we'll get some motivation and we'll do more videos. That is main important, and I will share you more knowledge, whatever I have. Okay, that I will share. So thank you so much everyone, thank you.